What's going on, guys? Today, the 2 white pines that are going to come down. Waiting on the excavator. Just took some branches down with the chainsaw and the pole saw. I don't want to be walking through here, and I'm just going to grab this stuff with the thumb. So, really don't want to be working too hard. It's hot today. And then these burning bushes are coming out. And we got a lamppost. They were nice white pines. They're full. Just too overgrown. Guy wants gonna plant grass. Let's have grass in the front yard, so touch base back when the excavator shows up.